This adventure takes place in remote northwest Namibia. We continue from the town of Swakopmund. We head south on the main and only highway. The road ends at a salt plant on the south side of town. Time to let some air out of the tires and engage four-wheel drive. Our objective is Sandwich Harbor, but there are no roads leading to Sandwich Harbor. Just inshore tracks and beach sand and dune driving. We opted for the inland option.
We've trusty maps for Africa. We are heading approximately back to the coast.
The problem with large sand dunes is Ben's little car struggles to get over the top, in this case to even reach the top. But Ben is determined. Ben gets out and looks for alternatives. If you can't get over it, then go around it. We're still looking for a way around that big dune. This lowland option is a maze, and the slippery black muck is easy to get stuck in. Success! Back in the dunes, we find a track. At last we reach the coast again, and the border of the Namib Naukluft National Park. We continue south along the beach, where we meet a girl sunbathing. But she doesn't like Ben's paparazzi photo style. Okay, maybe just one more photo. Late in the day, we ran out of beach. We had reached the point where the dunes ended in the surf. We decided to set up another free camp for the night. These are the classic surreal images of Namibia.
Real man's chakalaka beans and onions.
Wow. Just north of Sandwich Harbor.
Good morning on day 4.
Ben has noticed that his wheels are not turning properly.
It's spinning.
This one is spinning.
And the rear one? Was the right one spinning?
No.
It's just spinning on one side. So I gotta get that fixed in Swakopmund.
But first, we need to dig the car out. Our goal? Return to Swakopmund. In Walvis Bay, Ben finds a place that can take a look at the diff lock.